There's coffee too. Flavor is my favorite. Me and Mike, we're going to Laguna Beach like at 3 p.m. when he comes back from work. We were about to go to tomorrow actually, but my forecast said it might be partly cloudy, so we are like, why not, let's go today because it's really beach weather now. So let me show you that now. Look at this, 96 Fahrenheit now. It's crazy. Wow, it's very hot. Anyway, I'm so excited. Finally finished editing. It's been almost 1 month to finish this. Good job, Janine. It's so good.
It smells good.
Oh, can you smell it? It's been a while since I recorded. Oh, it's good. It's so fresh.
Yeah.
I think I like this one better than
The grip.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess this one is a new flavor. The grip is like we had it so many times.
Yeah. Ooh, it tastes like summer. You like it? You didn't even eat. It's been already 225 days since I left here. Time so fast. It's almost
It's
1
like
year.
6 months.
You feel like 6 months?
Wash would actually have a very smooth chocolate and vanilla.
안녕하세요. 프레젠테이션이 어떻게 활용할 수 있을 것 같냐면 어떻게 조깅을 하는 과정에서 자연스럽게 하는 생각들이 내가 조깅을 하는 과정에서 어떻게 나한테 계속 도움을 주고 또 계속 조깅을 하는데 동기부여가 되나 이쪽으로 생각해 보는데 활용을 하시면 좋을 것 같아요. 그러면 바로 자기 대화 개념부터 넘어가서 Good morning. Making breakfast now. So I had a great meeting with the people I love. So yesterday, it was one part of my assignment. It's called Mental Skills Project. And in that assignment, I need to apply one of the mental skills I learned in class to the real setting. I have to teach the mental skills to the people. The topics I chose was self-talk, which is a word or a phrase or sentences I taught to myself. I want to help people to improve their self-awareness. Like, I want to help them know about themselves better using self-talk. And then the exercise I chose is jogging, which is one of my favorite exercise. So the project I did, I contacted people who actually participated in my project about jogging. My project actually ended this February and it's April now. So it's been 2 months since I met them. And then actually 3 people I met yesterday, they are the people who participated for 2 years consistently in my project. So yeah, it was really great meeting them in person, not in person in June, but it's really good to see their face. And when I contact them and then I ask them if they can participate in my project, and they really, like, thankfully they said, yeah, for sure. The project was to run 3 kilometers without like listening to music, and then focus on the thoughts that came to your mind while jogging, and then share the thoughts. I try to help them understand what their thoughts means, how they can use the self-talk to improve their exercise behavior. So yeah, it was kind of my project and it was really great. Today is Sunday. I actually slept at 4 a.m. this day to finish my oral assignments and then something to do, but still I have something left I need to do. But today is Sunday, I want to chill out, so I'm making breakfast. It's called shakshuka, one of my favorite. This is what we used to eat every Sunday or weekend. And then after eating breakfast, we are going to hike in Hollywood. I've never been there, so I'm pretty excited. Shakshuka day. Shakshuka Sunday. Your hand looks so big on the camera.